Hello students and good afternoon. So now I am doing class for class 12 science. The topic is the same topic that we were doing in the last online class. We were doing the same chapter, that is integration by parts. So today is the continuation class for the chapter integration by parts. So same exercise 7, page number 380 from 4 marks section. So let us evaluate this integration. That is, question number 1 is you have to evaluate this integration. That is integration of x square sin x dx. So this is also the integration of the product of the two different functions with respect to x. So in this case we will use integration by parts. So I think you have revised all the problems that we did in the last online class. Okay, so I think you know the formula also, that is for integration by parts. That is very important formula. Okay, so if you can use the integration by parts, then you can easily do the integration. Is that clear? So let us do this integration now. So I is equal to integration of, this is x square sin x dx. Now this is integration of the two different functions. So one is x square is algebraic function and sin x is trigonometric function. So x square is algebraic function, that is your a later. Sin x is trigonometric function, that is t later. So which letter comes first in the word liet? Which letter comes first in the word liet or ilet? This is a and this is t. So in the word liet or ilet, a comes first. That is, algebraic function comes first in the word liet or ilet. So x square is the first function and sin x is the second function. You know that, isn't it? So you can compare it with the word liet or ilet. Here x square is a and sin x is t. So a comes first in the word liet or ilet. So x square is the first function and sin x is the second function. So let us use by parts here. So I is equal to, which is the first function? X square integration of sin x dx minus integration of second bracket. So this is dy dx of x square integration of, this is sin x dx second bracket close dx. Okay, so or I is equal to x square into, let us write multiplication sign. So what is the integration of sin x? Differentiation of which function is sin x? You know that it is minus cos x, isn't it? It is minus cos x. If you differentiate cos x, you will get minus sin x, but there is plus sin x. That's why minus sign is written out here. So it is minus cos x minus integration of, what is dy dx of x square? It is 2x into, what is integration of sin x? Minus cos x dx. Is that clear? So or now this is I is equal to, this is minus x square cos x, okay, minus to minus plus, so it is 2 is constant taken outside, integral sin x cos x dx. So I think you have understood it. Okay, so again there is integration of the product of two different functions, x and cos x. So here also you have to use integration by parts, but there is plus 2 outside integration sign. So you have to use integration by parts within second bracket. Okay, or I is equal to minus x square cos x plus 2 is there. So 2 within second bracket. Use integration by parts here. So this is the integration of two different functions again with respect to x. Here x is algebraic function a, cos x is trigonometric function, that is t. So there are two letters a and t. Which letter comes first in the word liet or ilet? A comes first, isn't it? So a, algebraic function, x is the first function and cos x is the second function. So let us use integration by parts. So x integration of cos x dx. X comes in front of integral sign, that is x integration of cos x dx, then minus integration of second bracket, this is dy dx of x integration of cos x dx second bracket closed dx, then third bracket is closed. So I think you have understood it. So this is the formula for integration by parts. Okay, so or I is equal to, this is minus x square cos x plus 2 within second bracket x into, what is the integration of cos x? That is differentiation of which function is cos x? It is sin x, minus integral sine, what is d by dx of x? That is your 1, you don't have to write it. Again, what is integration of cos x? It is sin x dx. Here second bracket is closed. So I think you have understood it. Okay, so let us open this bracket. I is equal to minus x square cos x plus, let us multiply by 2, it is 2x sin x plus into minus, minus 2 integral sine, this is sin x dx. So now you can easily evaluate this integration, that is integral sine sin x dx. Okay, so or I is equal to minus x square cos x plus, this is 2x sin x minus 2 into, what is the integration of sin x? That is differentiation of which function is sin x? It is minus cos x. So plus c, last time हामीले c पनि लेख्नु पर्छ, c लेख्नु बिर्सिनु हुँदैन. If you don't write c in the answer, 1 mark will be deducted. Okay, so or I is equal to minus x square cos x plus 2x sin x, and this is minus into minus plus, this is your 2 cos x plus c. So this is the final answer. So I think you have understood it. So you can copy it. Now we'll do the next question. So now we'll do the next question, that is question number 2. So you have to evaluate this integration, that is integration of x plus 1 whole square log x dx. So let us evaluate this integration. Here also integration of the product of two functions with respect to x are there, so you have to use integration by parts in this case. Okay, so therefore I is equal to integration of x plus 1 whole square log x dx. So without simplifying x plus 1 whole square, you can easily do integration by parts in this case. Okay, so in this case x plus 1 whole square is an algebraic function a, and log x is logarithmic function, that is L. So which letter comes first in the word liet or ilet? L comes first, isn't it? So log x will be your first function and x plus 1 whole square will be your second function. Is that clear? So which function will come outside integral sign? Log x. That is, log x will be the first function and x plus 1 whole square will be the second function. So let us use integration by parts in this case. Or I is equal to, now it is log x integral sign, this is x plus 1 whole square dx minus integration of, now you have to take the differentiation of the first function with respect to x. Here log x is the first function, so dy dx of log x, then integration of, what do we write? This is x plus 1 whole square dx, second bracket closed, dx. Is that understood? So I think you have understood it. Okay, so or I is equal to, let us first integrate x plus 1 whole square dx. Let us first integrate x plus 1 whole square dx. Okay, so what is this integration? It is just like your x to the power n. We can take x plus 1 as x because it is within whole square, and within whole square the power of x is 1, so we can assume x plus 1 as x. So it is just like your x square. What is the differentiation of x square? It is x cube, but here it is x plus 1 whole cube divided by 3. But actually in this case, which function was taken as x to integrate it? x plus 1 was taken as x. So what is this differentiation with respect to x? That is, what is the differentiation of x plus 1 with respect to x? It is 1. So in case of integration, you have to divide it by the differentiation of x plus 1, that is 1. Since it is 1, you don't have to write it. Is that clear? So it is x plus 1 whole cube divided by 3. Then what do we write? Into, you have to write log x. Log x is kept as it is, right? Minus integration of, what is d by dx of log x? It is 1 upon x. Is that clear? Into, now what is integration of x plus 1 whole square again? So it is x plus 1 whole cube. It is x plus 1 whole cube divided by 3. Then what do we write? Dx. So I think you have understood it. Okay. So now you have to evaluate this integration, but you have to simplify it before integration, right? So or I is equal to, first term is kept as it is, x plus 1 whole cube divided by 3. It is log x minus 1/3 is constant taken outside, integration of, now you know that this is a plus b whole cube, isn't it? X plus 1 whole cube is, you can use the formula of a plus b whole cube. What is the formula? It is a cube. A cube means x cube plus 3a square b, that is 3x square. You know that 3x square into 1 is 3x square, plus 3ab square is 3x into 1 square. 1 square is 1. 3x into 1 is 3x, plus what is b whole cube? That is 1. Whole divided by, what do we write? We write here x. Let us keep it within bracket. Then what do we write here? Dx. Is that understood? So now let us simplify it again. Or I is equal to, now first term is kept as it is, you don't have to simplify it. So x plus 1 whole cube log x divided by 3, right? Minus 1/3 integration of, let us separate the fraction. We can separate the fraction here, x cube by x. What is x cube by x? This is your x square plus, right? X cube by x is x square, you can divide it. 3x square by x is plus 3x. You know that. Plus, next, what is 3x by x? That is your 3 only. That is your 3 only. Plus, last one is 1 upon x. Is that clear? So last one is 1 upon x, bracket closed, dx. So I think you have understood it. Okay. So now you can separate that integration and then you can easily integrate them. Or I is equal to, this is your x plus 1 whole cube log x divided by 3 minus, let us separate the term, 1/3 minus 1/3 integration of x square dx. Okay, minus into plus, minus into plus is minus, 3 gets cancels. Integration of, this is only x dx, minus into plus, minus integral sign, 3 gets cancelled, you will have only dx. Okay, then minus into plus is minus 1/3 integration of, what is that? It is 1 upon x dx. It is 1 upon x dx. So I think you have understood it. So let us evaluate this integration. So or I is equal to, this is your x plus 1 whole cube log x divided by 3 minus 1/3 into x cube by 3 minus, what is integration of x? X square by 2 minus, what is integral sign dx? X minus 1/3. What is integration of 1 by x? Differentiation of which function is 1 by x? It is log within mod x. Log within mod x, the base is e, then what do you write? Plus c. Okay, or I is equal to, now this first function x plus 1 whole cube log x divided by 3 minus, this is x cube divided by 9 minus, this is x square by 2 minus x minus 1/3 log within mod x, the base is z, plus c. So this is the final answer. So So I think you have understood it. So you can copy it. Now we'll do the next question. So now, so let us do question number 3. So question number 3 is integration of x tan inverse x dx. So it is the integration of the product of two different functions. So here also you have to use integration by parts. Okay. So this is integration of x tan inverse x dx. So let us first write I is equal to, so I is equal to integration of, this is x tan inverse x dx. Okay. So now you know that x is an algebraic function. X is a function of algebraic function of a, and tan inverse x is inverse circular function, that is your I. So which letter comes first in the word let or islet? That is I comes first, isn't it? So this I tan inverse x will be your first function and x will be the second function. So you have to use integration by parts. So therefore, which is the first function here? Tan inverse x, it comes outside integral sign. That is your tan inverse x integral sign x dx minus integration of second bracket dy dx of, this is your tan inverse x integration of, now this is your x dx. Understood now? So integration by parts is done out here. Okay. So or I is equal to, let us first integrate. What is integral sign x dx? This is x square by 2 tan inverse x minus integration of, what is d by dx of tan inverse x? It is 1 upon 1 plus x square into, now here second bracket is, sorry, this one is second bracket is closed, and you have to write dx for this integration. That is your dx, right? Is that clear? So now this is d by dx of tan inverse x is 1 upon 1 plus x square. What is integration of x? That is your x square by 2. Then what do you write? Dx. Is that understood? So now next, or I is equal to, this is your x square by 2 tan inverse x minus, here half is constant, it is taken outside, half integration of x square divided by 1 plus x square dx. Understood now? So now again you have to evaluate this integration. So we have done it in the previous chapter. That is, what is the highest power of x in the numerator? That is 2. And in the denominator also the highest power of x is 2. If the highest power of x in both the numerator and the denominator are same, whatever is there in the denominator, you have to write it in the numerator. The माथि x को हाइस्ट पावर 2 छ, तल पनि x हाइस्ट पावर 2 छ भने तलको जे छ हामी माथि त्यही लेख्छौं. That is 1 plus x square is in the denominator. We will write 1 plus x square in the numerator. Okay. So therefore I is equal to, this is x square by 2 tan inverse x. It is kept as it is, minus half integral sign, whatever is there in the denominator, write it in the numerator. What is it? It is 1 plus x square. Let us keep it within bracket. Is that clear? So we are getting x square, that's okay. X square is here, but is there 1 plus 1? No, you have to subtract it. So what do we write? Minus 1 whole divided by, it is 1 plus x square dx. Is that understood? So now we can separate this fraction as well as integral sign and dx. So or I is equal to, this is your x square by 2 tan inverse x. Let us separate the term. Minus half constant integral sign. 1 plus x square upon 1 plus x square will be cancelled. You will get dx only. You will get dx. Okay. So minus into this minus plus. You have to change the sign. Plus half integral sign dx divided by 1 plus x square. Is it understood now? So now both are the formula, you can use the formula. What is integral sine dx? X. So in this case, integral sine dx upon x square plus a square form 1 can be written in terms of 1 whole square, isn't it? So let us write it as 1 whole square. So now this is the first standard integral. We have done it in the previous chapter. That is, in case of standard integrals, this comes under first standard integral. That is integration of dx divided by x square plus a square. Instead of x, there is x. Instead of a, there is 1. So this is the first standard form. What is the formula for the first standard form? It is 1 upon a tan inverse x upon a. So, or here we have I is equal to x square by 2 tan inverse x minus half into what is integral sine dx, that is your x, plus half into what is the formula? This is the first standard form. What is 1 upon a here? It is 1 upon a here is 1 tan inverse x upon a, that is x upon 1. Then what do you write? Plus c. Okay. So, or what is the final answer now? It is x square by 2. This is your tan inverse x. This is minus half x plus half into 1 is half. Now this is tan inverse x. X upon 1 means x plus c. So this is the final answer. So I think I've understood it. So this question is also very, very important. You can mark it. So you can copy it. Now we'll do the next question. So now we'll do the next question, that is question number 4. Integration of log of 1 minus x whole divided by x square dx. Here also we can take this x square to the numerator, so it becomes x to the power minus 2. So this is an algebraic function. X to the power minus 2 is an algebraic function, and log of 1 minus x is a logarithmic function. So this is the integration of the product of two different functions. So in this case also you have to use integration by parts. So let us write it as, first I is equal to integration of x to the power minus 2, then this is log of 1 minus x dx. Okay, so x square is taken to the numerator, so it becomes x to the power minus 2 log of 1 minus x dx. So you have to use integration by parts. So in this case, x to the power minus 2 is an algebraic function, that is your a, and log of 1 minus x is a logarithmic function, that is L. So which letter comes first in the word let or ilet? L comes first. So log of 1 minus x is the first function now. So let us use integration by parts. So I is equal to, this is log of 1 minus x is taken outside, integration of x to the power minus 2 dx. बिचमा के साइन आयो माइनस, राइट, इंटीग्रल साइन सेकेंड ब्रैकेट, दिस इज dy dx of log of 1 minus x, then integration of x to the power minus 2 dx, second bracket closed dx. Is that understood now? So this is your integration by parts. So let us evaluate it. Or I is equal to, let us first integrate x to the power minus 2. So this is just like your x to the power n. What is the integration of x to the power n? X to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. But here it is x to the power minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1. Then write down log of 1 minus x is kept as it is, minus integral sign. What is dy dx of log of 1 minus x? It is in the form log x. What is the differentiation of log x? 1 upon 1 minus x into, again differentiate 1 minus x with respect to x. It is for 1 it is 0, for minus x it is minus 1. Into, again, what is integration of x to the power minus 2? X to the power minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1. Then what do we write? Dx. Okay. So, or I is equal to, this is x to the power minus 1 divided by minus 1. This is your log of 1 minus x. Okay. So now it is minus integral sign 1 upon 1 minus x into minus 1 into this is x to the power minus 1 divided by minus 1. Then what do you write? Dx. Is that clear? Next, let us simplify it again. I is equal to this minus sign. This minus sign is taken outside. Minus x to the power minus 1 means 1 upon x. This is log of 1 minus x. Okay. So this is minus into minus plus. Plus into minus is minus integral sign. X to the power minus 1 means 1 upon x. So it is 1 upon x into 1 minus x. Then what do we write? Dx. So I think you have understood it. Okay. So again you have to evaluate this integration. So either you can convert into partial fraction or you may convert into standard form also. Okay. So or I is equal to this is minus 1 upon x. This is log of 1 minus x. Okay. Minus integration of this is dx divided by. So let us convert it into a standard integral. So x into 1. X, let us multiply it. X minus x into x is x square. So let us convert it into a standard form now. Both x and x square term is there. And you have to make the coefficient of x square positive 1. And after that you have to convert it into a square minus 2ab plus b square or a square plus 2ab plus b square form. And then you can easily convert into a standard integral. So or I is equal to minus 1 upon x. This is log of 1 minus x minus integration of this is dx. Here minus is taken common in order to make the coefficient of x square positive 1. So minus is taken common, so x square minus x. Don't take this minus sign outside. Again you have to simplify that minus in the denominator. Okay. So or I is equal to this is minus 1 upon x log of 1 minus x minus integration of this is your dx divided by minus sign within second bracket. Now for this x square minus x, you can convert it into a square minus 2ab plus b square form. What is a whole square? X whole square minus 2 into a is x into what is b? B should be half so that we can get only x. You know that, isn't it? Plus what is b whole square? It is half whole square. Is that clear? So let us check it once again. X whole square is x square, we are getting it. 2 gets cancelled, minus x plus half whole square is not there. Half whole square, is there half whole square? No, you have to cancel it. So it is minus half whole square. Here second bracket is closed. Or I is equal to this is minus 1 upon x log of 1 minus x minus integral sign dx divided by minus within second bracket. So now you know that this is a square minus 2ab plus b whole square. What is the formula? A minus b whole square, x minus half whole square. Minus a whole square is this is half whole square. Second bracket is closed. So now let us simplify it. Again multiply it by minus sign because minus sign is there in the denominator. You have to multiply this term by minus sign outside. Okay. So or I is equal to minus 1 upon x log of 1 minus x minus integral sign this is dx divided by, let us multiply it by minus sign and write down the positive term first. So minus into minus plus this is your half whole square minus x minus half whole square. Okay. Now this is the third standard integral from the previous chapter, standard integrals. Here a is half. And what is x? X minus half, right? So this is the form integral sign dx divided by a square minus x square, okay? So or I is equal to minus 1 upon x log of 1 minus x minus, what is the formula in this case? 1 by 2a. 2a means 2 into half log within mod. What is a plus x? You know the formula, isn't it? That is the third standard form. You can check it. That is the third standard integral is 1 by twice a log within mod a plus x divided by a minus x. Here a is half plus what is x? X minus half divided by what is a minus x? it is half minus x minus or minus plus half. This is mod sign is closed. Here the base is e. Then you can write down plus c there. Okay. So here you can cancel these two, cancel them. Is that clear? So I think I've understood it. Okay. So here you can cancel this, half gets cancels. So or I is equal to, now this is minus 1 upon x log of 1 minus x. Okay. Then minus sign, 1 upon 1 is 1. You don't have to write it. Log within mod. In the numerator, what do we have? Only x divided by half plus half is 1. What is half plus half? That is 1. Half plus half is 1. 1 minus x, mod sign closed, plus c. What is the base? Base is e. So this is the final answer. So I think you have understood it. So you can copy it. Now we'll do the next question. So now we'll do the next question, that is question number 5. So let us evaluate this integration. That is integral of x cube e to the power ax dx. So this is also the integration of the product of two different functions. So you have to use integration by parts in this case also. So therefore I is equal to integration of, this is x cube e to the power ax dx. Okay. Now this is the integration of the product of two different functions. So what type of functions are there? You should know it. So x cube is an algebraic function, that is a. E to the power ax is the exponential function, that is e. So among these two letters a and e, which letter comes first in the word liat or ilet? L-I-A-T-E, another one is I-L-A-T-E. That means a comes first, isn't it? A comes first in the word liat. So this x cube is the first function and e to the power ax is the second function. So we can use integration by parts in this case. So I is equal to x cube comes in the front, x cube comes outside, integral sign, integration of e to the power ax dx minus integration of second bracket, this is d by dx of x cube, integration of e to the power ax dx, second bracket close, dx. Understood? So now let us evaluate it. Or I is equal to x cube is kept as it is into, what is integration of e to the power ax? It is just like your e to the power mx. What is this integration? E to the power ax divided by m here is a, minus integral sign. What is d by dx of x cube? What is the differentiation of x cube with respect to x? This is your 3x squared. Then again, what is integration of e to the power ax? E to the power ax divided by a, then what do we write? Dx. Understood? So let us simplify it. Or I is equal to, this is x cube e to the power ax divided by a, minus, which is constant here, that you can take outside, 3 upon a. 3 upon a, integral sign, x square e to the power ax dx. Again, this is the product of two different functions. One is x square and the other one is e to the power ax. Again, x square is an algebraic function, that is a. E to the power ax is exponential function, that is e. So which letter comes first in the word liat, a or e? So that means a comes first, isn't it? So x square will be the first function and e to the power ax will be the second function. So let us use integration by parts in this case also. Since there is minus 3 by a in front of this integral sign, so you have to use integration by parts within bracket. So or I is equal to, this is x cube e to the power ax divided by a minus 3 upon a. Now within third bracket. So within third bracket, let us use integration by parts. X square integration of e to the power ax dx minus integration of second bracket is opened, dy dx of this is x square, integration of e to the power ax dx, second bracket close dx. This is your second bracket, right? This is your second bracket is closed dx, then third bracket is closed. Is that clear? So now let us simplify the expression within third bracket first before we multiply them. Okay, so or now this is I is equal to x cube e to the power ax upon a minus 3 upon a within third bracket. Let us simplify it. X square is kept as it is into, what is integration of e to the power ax? Again, e to the power ax by a minus integration of, what is dy dx of x square? 2x. It is 2x into, what is integration of e to the power ax with respect to x? It is e to the power ax divided by a. Then you have to write dx. So here third bracket is closed. So now what will you do in the next step? Now we have to open this bracket. So you have to multiply both these terms by 3 by a in order to open this bracket. Okay? So or I is equal to, which is the first function here? X cube e to the power ax divided by a. So let us multiply by minus 3 by a here. Minus 3x square e to the power ax divided by a into a square. A square, okay? So minus into minus plus. Because this is minus into minus plus, 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6 divided by, what is there? A into a square. A square, integration of, what is the function out there? Integration of, that is x e to the power ax dx. X e to the power ax dx. Is that understood now? So now these first two terms are simplified. Now again you have to evaluate this integration, that is integration of x e to the power ax dx. Again this is the product, integration of the product of two different functions. So x is an algebraic function a, and e to the power x is the exponential function, that is e. So which letter comes first in the word liet, a or e? A comes first. That means here x is the first function and e to the power ax is the second function. Again you have to use integration by parts in this case. So or, now this is I is equal to x cube e to the power x upon a minus 3x square e to the power ax upon a square plus. Now 6 upon a square is constant, it is taken outside. Now within third bracket, you have to use integration by parts. I already told you about which is the first function and which is the second function, isn't it? So which is the first function out here? X. Integration of e to the power ax dx minus integration of, second bracket is opened, dy dx of x integration of e to the power ax dx, right? Then this second bracket is closed dx, then this again third bracket is closed. Understood? So now let us simplify the expression within third bracket. I is equal to x cube e to the power ax upon a minus 3x square e to the power ax upon a square plus, now this is 6 upon a square within third bracket. X is kept as it is into, again what is integration of e to the power ax dx? E to the power ax upon a, right? Minus integral sign, what is dy dx of x? That is 1. Will you write 1 there? No, you don't have to write this one. Again integrate e to the power ax dx, e to the power ax by a. Then for this integration you have to write down dx. So here third bracket is closed. Is that understood? Now we have to multiply the expression within third bracket by 6 by a square. Let us open the bracket. Or I is equal to, this is x cube e to the power ax upon a minus 3x square e to the power ax upon a square. Now multiply by plus 6 by a square. Open the bracket now. Plus 6x e to the power ax divided by, this is your a cube, plus or minus, minus, right? So which is the constant here that you should write outside integration? Minus 6 upon, this is a square into a is a cube, then integration of e to the power ax dx. Is that understood now? So this is the last integration. You have to evaluate this integration of e to the power ax dx. So or I is equal to, this is your x cube e to the power ax upon a minus 3x square e to the power ax upon a square plus 6x e to the power ax upon a cube, right? And this one is minus 6 by a cube into, what is the integration of e to the power ax again? It is e to the power ax upon a, then what do you write? Plus c. So let us simplify that fourth term now. So or I is equal to, first term is kept as it is, x cube e to the power ax upon a. Second term remains as it is, minus 3x square e to the power ax upon a square, right? Third term is kept as it is, 6x e to the power ax divided by a cube. Now what is the last term? The last term here is minus 6 e to the power ax divided by a to the power 4. Then you should write plus c. So this is the final answer. So I think you have understood it. So you can copy it. So today we did only 5 problems. So this revision will be a homework. You do revise it at home. That will be a homework. Revise all the problems that we did so far in this integration by parts. And in the next online class, we'll do more problems on this integration by parts. So this much is for today.